Windows, Ubuntu, Mac are the most popular operating system people use around the world. We cannot imagine a computer without an operating system. It is the most important part of the computer system. Now let's learn about operating system. An operating system is a series of programs that is used to operate or run a computer. It manages the computer hardware and application software. It usually controls and manages the whole computer system. Now let's see how basically it works from the structure. Here is a structure of operating system. Say for example, if you want to do sum of 2 plus 2, you will type 2 plus 2 using the keyboard into the calculator application. Now, operating system will receive the input from the application and transfer it to the CPU, that is hardware. CPU will process the data and prepares the output and send it back to the operating system. Operating system will transfer this output to the application. Here, user can see the output through the application, that is calculator. From this, we can say that you cannot communicate to the computer directly as it only knows binary language. That's why you need an operating system as an interface. The system that allows a computer user to communicate with the computer is called interface. Here, operating system works as an intermediate between the user and computer. There are two types of interface, one CLI, command line interface, and second GUI, graphical user interface. In CLI, that is command line interface, as name suggests, you have to give a command for each and every task. You need to remember all the commands to perform your task. For example, to open, to save, to print for each and every task. But in GUI, it has graphics and icons. You just have to click on it. Now let's see some basic difference between CLI and GUI. As you know, command line interface enables a user to communicate with the system through the commands. But graphical user interface permits a user to interact with the system by using graphics, which includes images, icons, etc. CLI is difficult to handle and requires expertise, but GUI is more user-friendly. It is easy to understand for beginners because it has graphics. GUI requires more memory as it consists of lots of graphical components, whereas CLI requires less memory as compared to GUI. Because the keyboard is used to execute the commands, the speed of the CLI is faster than GUI, but in GUI, we use mouse to execute commands, that's why the speed of GUI is slower than CLI.